Welcome to Azure Architect AZ305 Certification Sample Question Series, question number 05. We are planning to deploy Azure Web Application named ACH01 that will use Azure Active Directory for user sign-ins. Employees will access the ACH01 application over internet, and all the employees are using Windows 10 devices which are already Azure AD domain joined. We need to choose a solution that allows the user to access ACH01 without being prompted for credentials again and again. Second one is we need to restrict the application access only to company provided devices. Let's go through the options. First one is we need to provide a solution where it will not ask for credentials again and again. Let's go through the options. First one is Azure AD Managed Identity. It will be used application to authenticate with Azure services, not for user sign-ins. Next one is Azure AD Application Proxy. It helps in publishing the internal applications to the internet without exposing the our internal network. Third one is Azure AD app registrations. Registering the application in Azure AD enables single sign-on. Since users are already signed into the device, which is Azure AD domain joined missions, it won't probably ask for credentials again. Next one is we need to restrict the ACH01 application access only company owned devices. Let's go through the options. First one is Azure AD administrative units. It will be used to delegate the admin roles, not to control the device policies. Next one is Azure Application Gateway, which is used to balance the load for applications and then use the security features like Web Application Firewall. This is also not applicable. Next one is Azure Blueprints. It helps in deploy the governance templates across the subscriptions, not to restrict the application access. Next one is Azure Policy. It governs the Azure resources, not the user access to application. The last one is conditional access policy, which will help us in enforcing the device-based restrictions like require compliant device or require hybrid Azure AD joint device. This will ensure company-owned devices only can have access to the application. This is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thank you.